behind. After the speakers and others, you can follow. This next students please stand up. This will also be stand up. Class 9, 10. Please.
Is it river?
An experiment is burned with green color flame. We can identify that the salt used in the experiment is copper chloride. This is experiment. When we hit the ball, it's
annual exhibition ngo bosoro PCO waisa kangke omosuru science simia podre pod tabogram di sini namanya transport system podre potongo kum podre potongo scientifically technology podre potongo abdro ono serai rok nona nai manita songkos kang hanya bisiro te kangke Khwlaijakha inside to witongo 1 to 12 class 1 to on sorry nursery to 12 ini sini forest ni superintendent officer tongo Sri Vincent Deborma kangke sini electric office di engineer Sarbai Khan Deborma kangke OSD Sir Anthony Deborma kangke temasa parani no Nondu Sri Nondu Deborma
Madam ni kaya orang ni tamo kait tamo.
Kurang naik korupsi.
Ini sini.
Ane kan money sampai.
Tapi ini je program cengkeh zaman. Buat saya cengkeh kakak saya kami bagi cengkeh tamo.
Ini program tu Khwlaijakha ni Xavier'S High Secondary School lo kaya annual science exhibition. Cerai rok scientific ni technology no evaluate khlainai tam develop onka science senior hawo abono boro practical bake snamoi exhibition khlaine borono phunongmani as haltini singo Xavier'S High Secondary School palai bhaji
Bang borono drugs academy ko kino usale aboro motamoni
actually science tini ne orto drugs ni related to thing to tobe main ke to science by drug to kesal di beberapa science ke to sengje tabu jugo demon talau tango hat olawon nong tangi tango himalaya pahar kasawo rocket namo যেমন মোবাইল অম্ম হাইনো আবার ডেভেলপ নিবাগই না তাও আর বিভিন্ন রকম যেমন ওয়াটার H2O লেমন সাইন্টিফিক নি বুমো citrus lemon mo hai rong no kai exhibition khlai tini phunungmani o salta
moi khoroksa jana sebe khanya hai to khoroksa rogo nai khonai amroko khosana mo jita thinang sere
actually mo to beleke nangkong sin chera rok ji porimani kabang ma talented chhatro tongo kebo ba mono properly jora mayang ni nai bin talent properly utilize khlaimeya keno ojago o St. Xavier'S high secondary school master rong ne dagi mumbai ba naikong rong dagi mumbai chera rong de talented no je phunungmani beleke no wana ma sin jabo sin chera ro o je 1 ni simi je 12 jora asike je khlaima kha abo jara tini final rok tong nuksina je o exhibition o tam gdalak tong A to Z je scientifically je snamjak mani manai abo beleke no excellent nang khorsa o area ni local guardian
belai hambai no oro St. Xavier'S school tini kaisa science exhibition program o jagao charai rok boroni yak bai snamjak jatripod manai rok borok muka belai ke naithotok chin charai rok boroni thane asika talent kabangma tongo karon jeng sabano o charai rok chini bobishot chini future o jagao norok boguri naide belai naithotok manai rok borok joto yak bai snamjak mamang seng oro invitation manka phaika belai tongthoka tai hambai maro o school management dongno aseng naithotok ke pandano samsamani bagai
kang ni jago sere ngo bong hai no ni bong ko nai
kok belai kok ka haise जों साइमानो यागरा याक्सि नाहनाय खांखाय चराय रक बेलाय चाजांनाय नंजांनाय फेकजांनाय मानि बे मा गदालि दंबाय काव बेलाय चिनि बागै तालिका खामिया तानि बागै हेंखाय चराय रक से चिनि फ्यूचर रक बर नोंनि फेगै तंखाले चिनि फ्यूचर बा अमाहाय नंनाय आ बागैनो अमाहाय एग्जिबिशन नंनि बिसिंतै अबनो कासे मेसेज हाइके रनानै मुसंगो चिनि मा फांनाय रक चिनि चराय रक दरक खाजिवि परिदि परिमान लगे लगे अमाहाय एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटी रकबो इनवल्व तंगदि जाते हामिया मानि सित्रा बाय हासाल खायना अमाहाय नायथथक तंगै लेखा परिवै चिनि समाज दफा हता जातिनो गाहामके दिसायमानानै बागै अबनो नां जतनि थानिनो कासे कयमु
पाइथागनि नि सिनिमु बिसान
आनि बुमुंखे बायथां देबमा आं बिस्राम मोनजोबो कारेन्ट अफिसआव चाकरि
An annual exhibition in the school. It is an opportunity for our students to showcase their talents and capacities. For the last 10 days, they have been preparing in their own houses and in their school here itself. And so they were able to make lots of models according to the theme that has been given to them. Under the guidance of the teachers and their class teachers, they were able to make a lot of models, and today we are making it a reality for our school. And thousands of parents and students and other schools teachers have come to witness this program. And we have a number of guests who have come this morning to witness this entire program, making it a grand success. And we thank all the parents, teachers and the students for their wholehearted effort.